Yo, what is going on, everyone? Welcome to the garage, even though we're not in a garage, as you can see. So it is about 10 a.m. and today we are going to get a 1970 Datsun 1600 Roadster out of a barn. It's been there since the early 90s and it's going to see daylight for the first time today. This will be pretty cool. I've never seen one, and you don't see a lot about them, but they're kind of like, I guess, semi-rare because it's right before Datsun turned into Nissan. And I've been awake, by the way. I don't know what's going on here, but anyway, we're gonna go get it. We're gonna film it. Hope y'all enjoy, and let's go. 1970 Datsun 1600 Roadster. Woo! I'm fat and out of shape. Alright, so we got the Datsun back. As you can tell, I have been taking so much out of it. There were so many OEM original parts in this car. Just trash too, from being in the barn for over 30 years. A little backstory on that I'll tell you all in a minute. And anyway, so we're going to vacuum it, and then I'm going to show y'all kind of all the parts, or I'm going to show you the parts. Actually, I'll just do that right now, but so cool, so cool. All right, so here is just some of the stuff. Not too sure what's in this box actually, but like we have a little radiator fan. We got chrome. We have so much chrome, so much chrome. Look at this little radiator fan, guys. It's so little. Ooh. All right. Here is an original headlight, Toshiba. We have headlight bezel that's still in the box new. This is brand new. It looks just like this. And it goes over there. So Anyway, we got some original hubcaps. Oh, and then here's all the little badging. Yeah, here's all the little badging. Datsun 1600. That is so cool. Okay. Since this is a 1600, it was a 4-speed, and they had the Datsun 2000, which was a 5-speed, and there was about 30 to 40 horsepower difference. We got an old bent grill and a full one, and this actually goes right here. Yeah, y'all can kind of see it. So there's that. We have some carburetors and then just a lot of little parts. We got an original book. Look at this door panel. Look how small this door panel is. And it's just cardboard. Just cardboard with some fabric. So, like I said, a lot of OEM parts that are still immaculate. Headrest. This is why, if you have an old car, put it in a barn, at least. It doesn't have to be a pretty barn, but at least in a barn. Here's a bucket. Now, yes, the mice did get to the cushion, but that's okay because the seat covers themselves are still almost brand new. And there's a seat cover for this one. It is actually over here. Yeah. So there's the top, and then there's the bottom. But there's what all the mice did. So, not too shabby. Here is the center console. My whole floor is taken up by parts. So, here's the center console. This is so cool. Look at this. Oh! Then, okay, y'all ready? Y'all ready? That is so cool. I don't know why, but it is just the coolest thing ever to me. We have a front bumper that was still in brand new wrap. Like, there's some of these parts that were brand new, just never put on. So like this, I'm pretty sure it's a front bumper or a back bumper. One of these are front, one of these are back. So that's that. New window rubbers, or like door rubbers. And then we got some mirrors. I'm not sure which one, but we got two. I'm not real sure what this is, if someone can tell me what that is. But we got air filter, or a spare air filter. I don't know. This was under the seat. And then the locking gas cap. So, that is cool. Here, I think, to me, this is probably the coolest piece that is original. So, this was still in a box. This was brand new in a box from late 80s, early 90s. Now, I unfolded it just to see if it was torn or anything, but it's not. I mean, the plastic's a little, dirty, but we can probably clean that up. But this is the top that you put on a rainy day. So that's just cool. But here's the car fully. We got little rust, but I'm pretty sure that's just surface. If you look real close, there's still shiny metal poking through, so that's just surface. But like I said, this hood is a reverse hood, so I got to figure out how to get it open because I think the cable is broke. So, little antenna. Now here's the inside. This is kind of what the mice did. They didn't like those seat cushions, or I guess they liked them, But look how easy, guys, this door closes. That is amazing. I swear there's new cars that don't shut this nice. Okay. Ooh. Get in here. So here's what you would see in 1970. Buying this brand new. The key ignition is on the left side instead of the right side. And there are just some things I'm not too sure of. I know this is only a horn, no airbags. There wasn't such thing. but you have a little wiper, and you have whatever that is. Oh, I think that's choke. Yep, that's choke because it's carbureted. Headlights. Well, yeah, there we go. Then over here, we have hot and cold. In and out. And then defrost. Here is your radio. There's your clutch, brake, and gas. Your feet are pretty close, so if you have wide feet, this isn't gonna work. Then there's your 4-speed manual, which it does click at least, and then reverse. Yep. So, oh, there we go. So that's good. We got your e-brake, and that does work. Well, maybe. But like the carpet is still decent, except for right there. Here's your glove box with the Datsun badge still in it. Hit the little button. Okay, I don't know what that was. We got some fuses. We got an old tag about tires. Oh, speed, I can only go so fast. Well, dag nabbit. We got your warranty service booklet from Nissan/Datsun. Is that just not the coolest thing ever? But let's look at our warranties. Hopefully we still have one, you know. I don't think we have one, guys, but is that just not the coolest thing ever? Okay, and then here's the door tag. I wanted to get that for y'all. Oh. 8 of, no, it's 9. 9 of 69. That is just neat. That is too neat. Now, I don't know how to get... Shh, it's okay. We're gonna get you going. Now, I'm not sure how to get this top off, but this whole piece right here actually comes up, or comes off. I'll work on that. And then here's the trunk. Now, this is all cleaned out, guys. All that stuff over there was packed in this car. So this is actually cleaned out, even though it's not cleaned out. But there is the original jack from 1970. And I would assume probably the original spare tire. So, oh, this is pretty neat too. Check that out. We did come with keys. Thank goodness. So, that is pretty neat. Anyway. All right, guys, so the hood does open. It was never actually locked. The latch, I think, is in one of these boxes over here. So I haven't looked. I have not looked, but we're going to look together. Here we go. Wow. Oh, how far does this go? Oh. Wow. Oh, that is so cool. Okay, well, there's the latch. There's the mechanism. Oh, there's no, like, spring. Okay. Wow. That is so cool. I'm over here getting all giddy. Guys. Wow. That is so cool. 1600 cc's of straight import. Yep, 1595. Max horsepower 96. Whoo! You're gonna catch me hauling. May get a speeding ticket. Paint code. Hold on. Hold on, everyone. Ooh. There we go. Oh. Paint code 665. And amino alkyd enamel. Well, we're not going back with enamel, but oh, that is so cool. Wow. Wow. That is so cool, y'all. I love it. I haven't even done anything to it, but I love it. Oh, and I did figure out the top. So there's these little clips right here. And these things just kind of like hook in like that and then boom. But it does work, and it works actually very well. I say that. Oh, yeah, so just like that. And it sets back. And then all that's like your storage. But, oh, here's the carpet. I already sat in it because I wanted to see. But, wow. All right, guys. Well, I don't know what to do now. I think I got a lot of work ahead of me with this one. All right, guys. Well, that's all I got for now. I don't really know what to say. Figured out the hood. And, yeah. I'm just going to kind of tinker and look at it and sit here in awe. Because look how small this radiator is. Look how small that is. I think my forearm is longer than the radiator. But anyway, so that's all I got. If y'all enjoyed, please hit the like and subscribe button. Share with your friends, your grandma and grandpa, aunt, uncle, cousin, your dog's cat's best friend. Just get it out there, guys. I love this stuff. And thanks to everyone that subscribes and likes the video. I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.